Should you build or buy? Buying is hard enough right now, so maybe you should build. Here are some quick pros and cons. Pros. The biggest advantage of building a home is you get exactly what you want. In your price range, that is. From the paint color, brick, flooring, tile, and layout, you get final say. And if you find a reputable builder, you won't have to worry about repairs, replacements, or renovations anytime soon. It's essentially move-in ready when it's done. You'll also be able to make the home as smart and energy efficient you want. Sounds pretty great, right? But now the cons. It costs more. Plain and simple. It will always cost you a bit more to build a new home than to buy a pre-existing one. It's also going to take longer. It typically takes around 7 months to build a home, whereas once you find a home you love, you can sometimes move in within weeks. You also may need to deal with unexpected costs or delays as the home is being built. The pandemic has caused the cost of construction materials to fluctuate wildly, and some materials are simply hard to come by because of ongoing supply chain issues. This can throw a lot of uncertainty into your moving plans. And while you don't have to negotiate with a seller when you build, you will need to communicate a lot with the builder. That's why I always recommend getting a real estate agent to represent you if you decide to build. The builder and their representatives are working to increase their bottom line, not to protect yours. A reputable agent who knows something about building can not only save you time and headaches, but end up protecting your pocketbook as well. If you're thinking about going the building route, shoot me a message and let's chat about my favorite builders in the area.